All right. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mason Lambert, and this is a live stream to go ahead and continue to cover some severe thunderstorms that are coming through the area. There's a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern St. Clair County until 4 o'clock this afternoon. So at 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Mascoutah, moving east at 20. Hazard 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail are the main threats with this storm. This storm is about to move into St. Libory now, so this is going to continue to move towards Clinton County and Washington counties. There's also a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clinton County until 4:30. Is for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. This includes Carlisle, so severe thunderstorm warning for that area. They have on all these warnings tornado possible. There is also a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Marion County until 4:30, until 4:15 for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. We are continuing to watch all these storms that are coming through the area this afternoon. As of now, none of these are rotating enough where a need for a tornado warning is necessary right now. So and by the way, there is now a severe thunderstorm watch. If you guys haven't really seen it yet, there is there is that. So I'm going to real quick show you that screen. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning as well in the furthest eastern side near Vince's. So near that area. So we're gonna real quick show you that watch. So this severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for virtually the northern half of southern Illinois. So it's in effect for Perry, Washington, Clinton, Jefferson, Marion, Wayne, Wabash, Edwards, White, Hamilton, Franklin. This is in effect until 10 o'clock tonight. So that will remain in effect. We have 4 more minutes on that severe thunderstorm warning for St. Clair County. I don't know if they're going to continue that warning or not. That is something I am definitely interested in. All right, we have a new tornado warning. It's for Clinton County. This is near Centralia. So we have a new tornado warning for east central Clinton County until 4:30. At 3:56, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Alutiiq, moving or over or 8 miles east of Carlisle, moving east at 15. So we have a tornado warning now for this storm. So that's what we are watching now. That is a tornado warning. They expired the severe thunderstorm warning for St. Clair County. They are not continuing with it. So that will no longer be there. Again, the severe thunderstorm warning for St. Clair County is no longer there. We have a tornado warning. I am looking through all the chat rooms real quick to go ahead and verify everything. I mean, I'm looking at it from the St. Louis perspective on this source. Honestly, yeah, it definitely looks like we have rotation there. So, that's where we are seeing the possible rotation. That severe thunderstorm warning over here is no longer in effect. So, yeah, we do have a possible tornado going towards Salem. This is going to be north of Centralia. So, Centralia, you will not be seeing the rotation, but you will be seeing localized heavy rain. You will see heavy rain with these storms, and at this point, I'm not going to say that's about it because, yes, you could see a tornado. It is possible with how they are warning this storm. So, there is a 60% chance of a watch being issued. I don't think this is in our area. No, it is in north of western Missouri. Again, we have a tornado warning for Clinton County until 4:30. So virtually for the next 30 minutes. By the way, if you are at Point Fest right now, we're not really seeing any problems. We're not seeing any problems there because most of the storms are to your north and to your east right now. So if you are going to Point Fest or thinking about going to Point Fest, you are definitely good to go. Again, there is the severe thunderstorm warning for St. Clair County. There you go. It just went off the board. It is no longer in effect. There is this tornado warning though along Highway 50, just north of Junction City. Is there multiple Junction cities? Let me go down to Franklin County. Oh, it's Johnson City. Sorry. All right. We're gonna real quick. Okay, so we do have a hook now forming south of here. So it looks like this rotation's starting to weaken, and it's starting to form a new rotation by how this storm looks. I don't know what's going on with this storm at this point. I mean, this rotation's just about to move into Marion County, which I would not be surprised that there could be another warning issued momentarily for that storm. By the way, there are still severe thunderstorm warnings for Crawford and Lawrence County until 4:15. Which that is near the Vincennes area. So, okay, so right now, all the activity that is in southern Illinois is sub-severe. All the stuff that is in our immediate viewing area is behaving. There is a strong storm forming on I-64, though, in Jefferson County near Mount Vernon. This is going to continue to be a little bit of an issue. We right now are just trying to see what they're going to do with this. There we go. We got a new severe thunderstorm warning for Centralia, Salem, Sandova, Iuka, Comundi, Centralville. So that storm, so that severe thunderstorm warning now in effect until, I believe, 5. Yep, it is in effect until 5 o'clock tonight. It is for tornado possible, 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. So we are going to continue to watch this storm very closely, since it does have a tornado warning with it. And it has a hook. It's very broad rotation now, so I don't think I think it was only that smaller threat that we were seeing. So all I'm going to say is right now we are not really seeing much in the way of rotation anymore. Excuse me, at least within the polygon. At least within the tornado warning polygon. We are not seeing any more rotation that could touch down. Because, I mean, I'm going to real quick go ahead and switch sources. I'm going to try Paducah. And Paducah is just messy. All right, we do have a little bit of rotation now on radar here near Junction City. So they may issue a new tornado warning for Sandova, also Junction City and Central City. So definitely a storm to watch. So we're still watching very closely on those storms. So I guess that's Fayette County. This is Clinton County. So this tornado warning is still in effect for Clinton County. This is probably going to be extended into Marion County based on how the radar is looking right now. So we are definitely going to still watch the storm very closely. To be honest, I would tell you guys to stay tuned to local media because guidance is very low today. The confidence level on this specific event, for us at least, is very low. I mean, we do have a slight risk of severe weather, but this slight risk is mainly driven by wind. The hail threat is much lower. There is only a minimal tornado threat. The highest tornado threat is to the north. So we'll continue watching so stay tuned to local media, and you can also download the WeatherWise app to watch these storms like I am right now.